So let us carry out this differentiation here now. So to differentiate this, we say that dy dx, which is to imply we are going to differentiate this y function now with respect to x. So if we differentiate 2x to the power of 4, so what you do is bring down the power. When you bring down 4, multiply by 2 is going to be 8. So we are going to have 8x, then we are going to subtract 1 from the power. So 4 minus 1 is going to be 3, then we write plus. So we are also going to do this one. We are going to bring down the 2, multiplying by this 3 is going to be 6, then x, then we subtract 1 from the power. So 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. So we can just leave it like this without necessarily writing the 1. So we can write plus. So the same thing, you also bring down the 2, so bring down the 3 and multiply by this 2. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Then we write the x, then subtract 1 from 3 from the power. So 3 minus 1 is going to be 2 plus. So 4x, by the time we differentiate 4x, is just going to be 4, okay? Because the power of this x is 1. So if you bring down 1 multiplied by 4, it's still the same thing as 4. So if I minus 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. And anytime you have something raised to the power of 0 is the same thing as 1. So this one now multiplied by 4 is going to be just 4. So that's why we just have 4 left. Then plus. Now if you multiply, this is plus. If you differentiate, 1 is going to be 0. Anytime you have a constant number only, by the time you differentiate, it's going to be 0. So there's no need of even writing the 0. So you can just leave it like this. And this becomes the differentiation of this function. Okay.